You've done really well.
Thank you for lending me your iron.
You're
I've
welcome.
opened that door so the breeze, because it's completely wet at the back.
Okay.
Got candle wax. It was all covered right here, some here. So I'm just doing my utmost to get rid of it using an iron. A little shampoo, a wet towel. Using the iron, and just melting as much as candle wax as we can. Can you see the movement? Don't scrape the candle wax. You'll be rubbing it back into the fabric. You just want to melt it and transfer the candle wax into the wet towel. Can we see it disappearing? This gentleman's going to be so pleased. He's had so much problems since he's purchased this sofa. And then he said he bought a replacement, or got a replacement, and then he's bought candle wax. So, let's go round to the front. Have a look. Look at that, guys. We've just got a little bit here, and some down there, and this would be a successful candle wax removal. This is being taped on my mobile phone, so sorry about all of the movements. What do you think, guys? What do you think, guys? A few little spots down there, here and here, and then we're going to start the cleaning process afterwards. Let's just go over it one more time. and we should be good. Let's see how we get on, guys. Be right back. What do you think, guys? This was where the most of it was, here and here. When I upload, I'll show you the pictures before and after, but you can see the process that I'm doing to get rid of it. Take a look, guys. Just a little bit more there. So just get that little bit. There's a bit here. We've got rid of it, guys. So let's just do this little piece here. Then we need to just dampen this area here. And we will have completed this job, guys. So just this little bit here. Like, got a bit still here. So let's just go with that. Because we've dampened that area here, we need now to dampen the complete area. So with a damp cloth, once it's still damp, just water, we're just going to blend in. Blend all of that in, guys. Do you see it? This job is not a demonstration. This is actually out on the field, in the field, alive, staying all over the place. See what the customer thinks, guys. Okay, guys, let's see what the customer thinks. Sir?
How'd you get on? You've done really well.
Thank you for lending me your iron.
You're
I've
welcome.
opened that door so the breeze, because it's completely wet at the back.
Okay.
These are completely wet because I splashed water.
Yeah, okay.
And then all of this is wet.
Okay.
Here's wet and there's wet.
So it just needs to dry.
It just needs to dry, leave the breeze on it. That's come up.
That's come up really well.
That's come up pretty well.
Fantastic.
When I first saw it, I didn't think it was going to all come out.
When I first did it, I felt so sick.
Yeah.
We'd only just sort of turned up.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's brilliant.
I normally have an iron on board. For some reason, I know I hadn't had it. It's because I was doing a demonstration at home for a video I was making.
Oh,
so
okay.
I've just made another
You've done
video
remarkable, yeah.
of this one.
Okay.
Okay, sir?
Yeah, thank you.
Right, what did I do with your card? Oh, there it is there. I just need you just to sign the bottom of that if you've got a pen, sir.
Yeah.
Just here, you can write any comments in there as well. You don't have to fill it in, just the signature and any comments to do. Here we go, guys. Candle wax.
Lovely.
Yeah?
Yeah.
If you spill anything on it, that's wet.
Yeah.
All of this is wet because
Yeah.
I splashed water. So if you spill anything and you're wiping it up, and it's here, wipe up the stain, but also dampen
the whole area.
the whole area. So when it dries uniform.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah?
But here you go. Sorry, it just slipped out behind me.
All done, man.
Lovely, thank you. I don't know what time you're paying.
No, you don't have to fill that in.
No,
Just,
no, right, okay.
just your signature and any comments
Yeah,
in
yeah,
that
yeah.
comment section. That's your pen.
Yeah.
That's your
Okay,
pen.
lovely.
Yeah? Alright, sir.
Thank you very much.
My pleasure, sir.
Have a great day.
And you too, sir. Thank you. Oh, there we go.
Bye-bye.
Alright, sir. Thank you. Bye-bye. So that, guys, was how we remove candle wax from a sofa. You can view how you remove candle wax from carpet. I'll leave the link in the description. It's pretty much the same, but you have to be careful on what fabrics you do this particular way. Even with carpet, you just have to be careful on the heat of the iron and so on, so and so. But that's pretty much how you can get rid of candle wax from sofas and carpet and material in general. Okay, guys? Alright, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And watch the ads, guys. Please watch the ads. The ads help to keep this thing going. So I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you.